My name is Steve Maynard. I'm Vice President of Exploration for Minaurum Gold, Inc. And I'm here to talk about some of the core that we recently drilled. If you observe here in this box, these are samples from the 2024 drilling program at the Promontorio vein zone at our Alamos project. Note that, and these are examples of some of the highest grade intersections we have. Here at in hole AL24-111, we have a sample that ran 50 centimeters that paid 12 kilos of silver, 0.346 grams per ton of gold, 2.6% copper, and a combined 40% lead zinc for a total contained metal value of 13.8 kilos of silver equivalent. That's a lot of silver and gold, silver and copper, rather. If you note in the cores of these green-blue stained areas, you see the sulfides where it hasn't yet been oxidized. The green material is chrysocolla, some malachite, maybe some azurite in a few spots. But the dark gray metallic sulfides is a combination of stromayerite, mckinstryite, chalcocite, as well as acanthite, which is a silver sulfide. There's probably some, with this kind of high grade, there's probably some native silver in there as well. So this is from hole 111, and this was the highest grade intersection or sample that we drilled in the 2024 program. Other examples here from hole 110, and hole 110 is on the same panel as 111, the same fence of drilling. Notice that here we have 790 grams per ton silver, 0.148 gold, and about 15% copper, lead, and zinc combined, maybe a little bit more, for a combined metal value of 1.8 kilos of silver equivalent. Now that's the combined metal value. That's not taking into account recoveries or metallurgical issues. That's just the total contained metal value in that sample. Notice the vein breccia textures, where we can see the fragments of banded vein that has been brecciated or broken up, and then a sulfide-bearing matrix introduced between the vein sections. So that's telling us right there that we have two separate pulses of vein development in there. And these holes were drilled in the Torito area on the Gijas vein of the Promontorio vein zone. Farther north on the Beta Grande vein of the Promontorio zone, we have hole 108, AL24-108, and notice this is in banded quartz stains, and this paid 643 grams per ton of silver, or more than half a kilo, 0.138 of gold, nearly 1.5% copper, and much lower lead and zinc. So this is from a different phase. These over here are higher in lead and zinc, and this is much lower. So this is a different aspect of the same vein zone. And then we have other intercepts from the same program, again with these strong base metal sulfides in here. This is from hole 105. This is in an extension of the Beta Grande, the southern extension of it. And notice that it's, let's see, that's, what is that? I'm having trouble reading this upside down. That's 70 centimeters sample that ran 2.4 kilos. Low in gold, only 27 parts per billion, 1.3% copper, and then a combined 13% lead and zinc. And you can see that that's where the lead and zinc would be in these dark colored minerals. And that would be a combination of galena and marmatite being a zinc iron sulfide. So that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you here about the 2024 program of drilling. Now we can pass over here and look at the geological maps showing the spatial relationships of these vein intersections. So if you'll accompany me over here.